Planning a yacht day charter? Look no further. Join us as we take you through a comprehensive checklist to ensure that your day on the water is nothing short of perfection. Step 1. Determine your preferences and needs. Consider the number of guests, desired locations, activities, type of yacht, and budget. This will help you find the perfect yacht and plan an itinerary that suits your desires. Step 2. Research and compare charter companies. Read reviews, check for licenses and safety records, and compare prices and available yachts. Choose a reputable company that meets your expectations and provides a high level of service. Step 3. Secure your booking by setting a date. Consider booking in advance to secure your preferred date and yacht choice. Confirm availability, sign necessary contracts, and pay any required deposits. Step 4. Choose the right yacht. Consider the size, style, and amenities of the yacht. Make sure it meets your group's needs, from comfortable cabins to entertainment options. Ensure the yacht is in good condition and well-maintained. Step 6. Plan your itinerary or activities. Collaborate with the charter company to create a tailored itinerary. Discuss preferred destinations, water activities, and sightseeing opportunities. Let the experts help you make the most of your yacht day charter. Step 7. Pack accordingly. Check with the charter company for any specific packing recommendations. Bring appropriate clothing, swimwear, hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen. Don't forget any personal items you may need for the day. Step 8. Confirm all details before departure. Double-check the time, date, and meeting point. Ensure all necessary paperwork and payment arrangements are in order. Confirm any additional services such as onboard catering or equipment rentals. And finally, Step 9. Don't forget to capture incredible moments and stunning vistas through photography or videography. Enjoy your yacht day charter. Relax, soak up the experience, and follow the instructions and guidelines provided by the crew. That concludes our guide to planning the perfect yacht charter. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and inspiration for your upcoming maritime adventure. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting yacht-related content. And until next time, fair winds and smooth sailing.